Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 17. Today is gonna be a really chill vlog. I'm not doing anything today. I'm just hanging around the house. I'm getting ready to fix myself some coffee, and I did try those breakfast sausages last night. They were so bomb. I posted them on Instagram, and my friend told me that the spicier ones were even better. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab a few of those, but not today. It's cold outside. I just want to chill, relax. So that's what I'll be doing. I have a package that came today that I've been waiting on since, oh my goodness, probably for like a week. It was supposed to be here like a week ago, and it finally came. So I gotta show y'all that.
Racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said the same name, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. I'm frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling.
Also this morning, I'll be having some of the Beyond breakfast sausage. I'm going to pick up a few more boxes of these because we tried them last night, and y'all, they were so good. So I have like 3 more, but I had them with syrup. It was so good, y'all. Like, I cannot believe that this is not real meat. Like, it tastes just like meat. But yeah, I'm going to get some more of these today.
Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Garner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season.
So I have to show y'all this package that I just received in the mail. It was supposed to be here days ago, but it's really cute. Look. Look. I got the vase, but it's really small. I ordered this from Amazon, but it's really cute. Like, look at this. Y'all know everybody goes crazy about these vases, and the big one like this, they're like $300. So I bought this one from Amazon. I thought it was just so adorable. So this is going in my studio on that table that I just bought from Home Goods recently. And then I'll find something to put in it. But I love this. So cute. So I'll have the link in the description box. Let me get all this stuff off of it. Hold on. Because I don't have like a little brush. This is so cute. I love it. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it's still cute. Like, it's cute enough. All this styrofoam I got on it, but how cute is that? Love. Y'all, I also need to do a little bit of cleaning today. I can't do that on camera because I've told y'all before, like, the way that I like to clean, I bounce around from room to room. If I know I gotta clean up the kitchen and my studio, I bounce back and forth. So it's just too much. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do a clean with me, but I'm telling you, girl, y'all will be like, oh my gosh, girl, stay still. I know this is a bad, ooh, girl, I don't want to show too much. I know this is a bad angle, but how many of you guys remember my lighter right here? This lighter is so old. It's about 3 years old. It's like a little torch. And y'all know I got the new lighter that you can charge. That's on the charger right now. And the only thing that I hate about this lighter is you have to buy this butane fuel to fill it up, and I hate it. So that's what I have to do right now. And it just seemed like it does not fill up for me. Like it takes forever to fill up. I hate that. So see, it's like a little torch. Tony bought me this years ago. I want to say he got this from Walmart, but I did find a few on Amazon. So if y'all want it, check my Amazon link in the description box, because I do have a few of these linked. Y'all, so I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm getting ready to make a Green Chef meal. Shout out to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. I have my box right here. So they send you all your ingredients in this box. They pretty much have a box for everybody. So they have something for paleo, balanced living, keto, plant-based. Y'all know that right now I'm doing pescatarian. So these are the recipe cards that they sent over to me, and they have a variety of organic ingredients. So they have one apricot glazed tofu, Mexican pinto bean meatballs, couscous salad. I've never had couscous, so that's another good thing. It gives you an option to try, you know, different recipes that you've never tried before. I think that I'm going to try I'm gonna do the apricot glazed tofu. Okay, so let's open this up. Ooh. So everything is labeled in an individual bag, so you know which one you're choosing. So this is the couscous salad. I'll probably do that one tomorrow. Which one is this? This is the tofu. This is so exciting. And this is the Mexican meatballs. Which one do we want to do? Because I feel like the Mexican meatballs will really fill me up, because I'm starving and this smells so good. So I think I'm going to do the Mexican meatballs. So yeah, we're going to go with the Mexican pinto bean meatballs. So this is what it looks like. And I like that they have these cards here to show you what the food is supposed to look like. So that's really cool. Everything, the prep time and everything is here on the back for you, each card. And then they also include the allergens here, so wheat and tree nuts at the bottom. So this prep time is 40 minutes. So the tofu is 35 minutes and the cook time for the couscous is 30 minutes. This is so exciting because it gives you the opportunity to try new things that you would never try before. So, and you can do it at home. And I know they also have gluten-free options as well. So you can basically just pick the box that's best for you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside for the Mexican pinto bean meatballs. Okay, another thing that's really good about this is you're not wasting food. Everything is the perfect portion for this meal. So this is the bread, the panko breadcrumbs. This is all that you would need for the spiced vegetable broth. What is this? This is cabbage and carrots. Jasmine rice. Tomato. Let's see. Chia seeds. Oh, look at this. Pinto beans. Vegan chipotle aioli with lime. I love aioli sauce. This is parsley, spiced parsley blend. Red onion. Pumpkin seeds. a lime. This is so fun. And cornstarch. Okay, so let's see. So it's 13 items, the exact amount of what you would need. So I'm learning how to make vegan meatballs from scratch. So if you guys are interested in Green Chef, definitely check out the description box below. I have an exclusive code, which is SharikaB80, and you guys can get $80 off, including free shipping on your first box. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is falling. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Okay, y'all, so here is the Mexican pinto bean meatballs from Green Chef, and here's mine. So I think I did a really good job, and this was really fun. So now let's do a taste test. Let's try it. I'll try some of the meatballs. I have my extra sauce right here that I'm dipping it in, the aioli sauce. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's so good. This is so good. I'm gonna just light some of these. All right, so here's the book. Y'all know I just bought this book yesterday. I bought it from Home Goods for $39.99, and y'all know on Amazon this book is $90. So check your local Home Goods. And then I just have it sitting on top of the Marc Jacobs book. My little marble and gold coasters, those are also from Home Goods. And then y'all know my two candle holders are from World Market. And my little geode bowl that I love. I probably will always have this up here because I just love it so much. All of the crystals are from Home Goods, and then the bowl is from At Home. And then I just have it sitting on the Vanity Fair 100 book. So yeah, that is where I have the book, and I love it. It looks so good. Okay, y'all, and right now I have the bus in the studio. So it's just sitting on my shelf. And then I just have it next to my pampas grass. I have a candle here and my brown bohemian book. So this looks good for now, and I'll decide if I want to move it later. But for now, I love it. So good.